Yep. Well, there you are. Hey, we're here at the homestead. Yep. Just finished building this nice big new shed. Yep, that's right. We built a shed here. And, well, we decided to build it big enough to store more puppet stuff in. Like stages and lawnmowers and, well, farm equipment. You know, usual stuff. Yep. And here on the homestead, well, we decided to make it with a slanted roof. And our Professor Gizmo, he decided that if it had a slanted roof, well, we needed to catch more rainwater to use for the gardens. So, we're going to show you today what we come up with to catch rainwater and see how it's working. Alright, let's get started. Yep, well, this here is the system as you can see it for now. Yep, we got ourselves one of them plastic rain gutters. Yep, that's a newfangled thing they got. Had aluminum back when I was a kid. Yeah, but these plastic ones seem to be cheaper and holding up pretty well. So we got one of them that's long enough to fit the whole span of the shed roof. Yep, that's right. We got it all the way down at one end, and it comes all the way down to the other end. Yep, and as you can see up there, we put on a metal roof this year. Yep, and the cutters didn't matter much to us. Nope, we got them as cheap as we could get. Just found what we could find. Yep, and well, you can see we put the gutter system all up there. Yep, nice and long. And well, we found us some plastic mesh that we're trying this year. Yep, we're going to put that in there. That keeps out the big leaves and the debris. Yep, all things like that. Yep, we don't want anything sitting down inside there that's going to tamper with the water supply. Nope, see, there's some leaves down there. Look at that. We got to clean them off. Yep. But we got that all set up there on that metal roof, and well, now we're sitting pretty. Yep, no debris going to be inside of our holding tank. Yep, that's what you had to get. Some people use a 55-gallon drum or something like that, but well, we figure with the big enough roof that it is, a 16 by 8, that it's going to produce a lot of water for us, so we got ourselves a big holding tank for it. Yep, 300 gallons they say. We'll find out if we can fill her up. That's what we're going to do. Yep, well, I got up this far, you know. Yep, we found ourselves a big tote here to put underneath the water catching system that Gizmo's figuring out. Yep, and well, they say that it's about 300 gallons. Yep, that's what they're saying to us. So, well, a little bit more, I reckon, if you count all the extra airspace above it. But, well, we'll see how full we can get it filled up. Yep, that's Gizmo's department, see. I get it all set up, and, well, me and the mule, that is. And his department's to figure out how to get the water inside it. We're working on that.
Aha! Oh yes, hello there, Professor Gizmo here, to explain how we are going to put the draining and system in for this new water rain tank that we have got. Yes, we are going to capture rainwater from the sky way up there and bring it down so we can use it when we need to on our garden, in the greenhouse, or out in the raised beds. Oh, this is going to be great. Now, we first put the gutter system and the roof up on the shed, just like that. Oh yes, it looks very good. And then we decided to catch the rainwater down here in this nice big tank that we got that is 300 gallons worth of space. Oh, this is going to be great. We are going to have plenty of liquid. Now, we are going to catch it by pouring all of the gutter water into this tank. We first thought about using just regular gutter connections like this, but we found they were too straight and hard for getting over to where we need to be, which is in the center hole there, as you can see. So, we found this green PVC style flexible tubing that works very good in the gutters at the end of the gutters, and it is just the right size we need to get right down into the center hole where we're going to be putting all the water. Now, as you notice right there, we have put a nice screen over top of the big hole in the center, so that way the water can go into the tank, but the bugs and things like that will not get into the tank. Oh, that would be bad. We don't want it to be dirty water. No, we want good, clean rainwater. So in ways to keep this water clean, we have decided to use this mesh right here, oh yes, to plug up the hole on the end, so that way it'll catch any debris and loose and small things that are coming out of the end of the tube, so that it won't go inside of our rain collecting barrel. That's right, our tote, you know. We've also put this mesh right here. It's like a screen of sorts. Yes, this right here. We have put it all along the top of the rain gutter so that it will not go inside of the gutter itself. It keeps leaves and everything else from going into the gutter and allows for the leaves to be brushed off later. Oh, that's right. Isn't it wonderful? Oh, we have come up with a beautiful system here. Now we have to just come up with a way of hooking up a hose or something to it. Oh, let me see and show you what we have come up with. Aha! Aha! Now, this here is what we have come up with for getting the water out of the tank. Aha! We have clipped on a nice little gator lock clip right here. Yes, and we have put in a PVC pipe. Oh, you can see it right there. 2-inch round goes into the gator locker. Oh, yes. The gator locker clamps onto the tank using the valve back there. Oh, yes, isn't that nice? This valve opens up and allows the water to come out into this. And with it sealed up nice and tight, there is another valve right here that we have put on for attaching a hose, see? Yes, and this valve will allow water to come out into the hose right here. Let me show you. Oh, yes. Oh, look at all that good water. Now, don't waste it, you know. Oh, yes. The water will come out and we will attach a hose and we can water the gardens with it. Or we can just put a gallon jug underneath it and collect the water and use it for watering inside of our greenhouse. Oh, this is amazing. I am so excited about catching rainwater and allowing it to use at later times. Oh, I am so excited to see it rain. Aha, here it is. Yes, now we have collected our water from the rainfall. Yes, and it looks like we have approximately 1.5 inches of rainfall that we have gotten in the past hour or so. Oh yes, it is very good and hard, nice rain. Now we are going to see how much gallons of water we have collected in our rain tote. That's right, we are going to go check it out. Here we go. Yes, this is amazing. Look at this. 250 gallons of water. Yes, that's what we have gotten today. We started out down here at 175. And we have filled up almost another 75 gallons of water. Just off of this little bit of rain. About 1.25 inches to 1.5 inches. It is amazing how much water we can contain off of a roof. We can gather all this rainwater up and use it in the garden. I am so excited. I need to go find a bucket or a hose or something so I can start using it. But not right now because we just had rain.